He's making a list. He's checking it twice. He's gonna find out if you're celebrating the birthday of Christ. Season's greetings, my name is Gary and I am a Mall Jesus. I have a special gift for you. Mall Santas are everywhere, but the latest trend in seasonal experiential photos is Mall Jesuses. A lot of people talk about putting the Christ back in Christmas. I'm actually doing it. Kids often get confused, ask me for toys, video games, ponies. I see that as an opportunity to teach them about things that really matter. Do you know what happens to the naughty kids? They go to hell with the rest of the sinners, and in hell, the devil burns their skin off their body over and over again for all eternity. Do you know what eternity is?
No.
It's forever. Sometimes my passions can be provoked.
I'm trying to pay my rent.
Those who love wealth shall never be satisfied with their income.
You're not God.
I get that a lot.
You're freaking out my customers. Please move along.
Bless you. Mall Santas tend to lead to a lot of photos of frightened children sitting on his lap. But with the calming spirit of the Son of God, they're left feeling at ease. Most of the time. I'm the Son of God, not a miracle worker. And there's a lot of pressure to heal people when they think you're Jesus.
Between the diabetes and the arthritis, life is miserable. Help me, Jesus.
So we hired registered nurses to play Mary. There's an urgent care down the street. At least he wasn't a leper. My ultimate goal is to share the Christmas spirit inside and outside the mall. So I stay in character from Thanksgiving to New Year's.
Yo, can I get a selfie?
Deny thy selfie and follow me on Instagram. It's $5. Every year it gets harder and harder to spread the message, but at least I'm not alone.
Come, they told me.
These are the offices of Rent a Christ. We come here to get our assignments, do research, and perfect our performances.
Got it done at the ear pierce hut. Hurt like hell, but it was worth it.
Do Santas get most of the glory? Sure, but there's no doubt who the reason for the season is. It's me, by the way. And unlike Santa, every season is Jesus' season. I do Easter, 4th of July, kids' birthdays. I may not be able to turn water into wine, but I can turn a balloon into a crucifix. Kids love it.